Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our demo today. My name is Tristan, I work in marketing at myHorizons, and today I'll be reviewing some of my favorite myHorizons features. myHorizons is our Amazon management and analytics platform built in-house by our team of talented software developers. So before I launch into the demo, first I'll provide a little background on our company and our software. myHorizons is an e-commerce solutions provider specializing in Amazon, founded in 2017, and our team has helped over 150 brands sell on Amazon. In the early days of our business, our account managers wanted to prioritize strategy and growth initiatives for our clients, but a lot of their time was instead spent combing through Seller Central, trying to find business insights and pull custom reports. We knew that there was a better way, so our software developers built myHorizons to layer on top of Seller Central and do what the Seller Central reports don't, provide a clear bird's eye view of every aspect of your Amazon business. For the last few years, our account managers have been using myHorizons for easy access to dozens of different reports, visualizations, and tools. And now we want to share myHorizons with you. As you can see on my screen here, you can access myHorizons through envisionhorizons.com. If you're already a user, you can log in the top right corner here. If you'd like to sign up, you can start that process here. And if you'd like to request a personal demo, you can do so on this page as well. So let's start the login process. The login page allows you to log in through Amazon or use your own email and password. As you can see, once you log in, myHorizons will take you to the account summary page where you can see today, this month, and this year's most important metrics. Here's your performance over time. And today we're going to be reviewing myHorizons Trends by ASIN page, Advertising by Keyword page, Inventory Management Tool, Profitability Report, Payments page, Request a Review Automation, and Sales by Geography page. So we're going to go through this as quickly as possible, but there still are a lot of tools and features that I won't be able to touch on in this short demo. So let's start with the Trends by ASINs page. Here you can see the Trends by ASINs page displays your sales by ASIN in a pie chart. When you hover over each piece of the pie, you can see which ASIN it represents. You can also see sales statistics over time in this chart here, by week, by month, by day. And you can toggle the date range right here. So this pie chart and graph both use data from this table. In the table, you can see we list product, sales, net sales, units, orders, return rate, new to brand sales, total advertising cost of sale, repurchase rate, and organic sales percentage. And if you hover over any of these metrics, you can see how they are defined. I can also sort my ASINs by metric. When I click return rate here, I can see that this ASIN has the highest return rate of 22%, so this might be something that I want to investigate. If I scroll down, I can see my totals and an option to export the data or play around with column visibility. The Advertising by Keyword page shows you top performing keywords and worst performing keywords based on sales to give insight into how to shape your advertising strategy. As you can see here, the page divides keywords into top performing and underperforming so that you can ditch the words that aren't working and invest more in words similar to the top performers. You can clearly see the low advertising cost of sales for the top performing keywords compared to the high advertising cost of sales for the underperforming keywords to see where ad spend could be saved. If you click the keyword, it will take you to the keyword Lookup for a higher level view of all the campaigns and ad groups the keyword is included in, so you can get a broader understanding of how often the keyword is utilized. The inventory forecasting tool under Business Analytics is used by our account managers to help forecast inventory based on the average trend for each ASIN over the last 60 days. Our account managers use the data provided here and export it so they can factor in variables such as promotions, past performance, seasonality, current trends, etc. Additionally, our account managers will look at the sales summary page or sales by ASIN page to view the time series of products and build in decline or growth rates. Estimated growth rates are capped at 25% per month and floored at negative 15% per month. Combining time series data with additional variables can be a really effective way to build forecasts. For a more in-depth forecast, like our account managers put together, you should include any variables that influence the sales for that period, such as lost buy box or price changes, promotional events on and off Amazon, and advertising metrics. You can see at the bottom here, you can export the data to add these variables in. That is inventory management. Here you can see this table shows your products by ASIN or by SKU, and in the table, you have total sales volume for the product over the last 30 days, the total units sold of the product over the last 30 days, the relative importance of this product to your overall account sales, the sum of inventory that's available, the number of days your current inventory is expected to last, and your projected shortfall. As always, if you hover over these metrics, you get a more detailed explanation, and you can adjust your lead days and demand adjustment up in the top right corner. You can also view a table of products that are almost out of inventory and out of inventory. Next, we're going back to the Business Analytics tab to check out Profitability by ASIN. For Amazon sellers, profit tracking can get complicated, especially when you have to search through individual ASINs. Most sellers struggle with the lack of insight into actual profitability. Calculating profit includes a complex set of inputs covering unit sales, gross revenue, cost of goods sold, taxes, fees, and refunds. And though it might seem obvious not to sell a product with a negative profit margin, sometimes brands can get caught up in the top-line sales numbers or have too many SKUs, resulting in difficulty keeping track of profitability by ASIN. This is why myHorizons has a tool that analyzes the profitability for every ASIN, making it easier to scrub your catalog of negative margin products. Next, another tool our clients love is the payments page. The payments page simply gives you an overview of income, FBA fees, marketplace expenses, promotional expenses, as well as net revenue and cash received, all in one place for easy viewing. The graph above allows you to view your income and expenses broken down by day for your selected date range. Next, we're going to go to the Help tab to view the Request a Review automation. Amazon provides sellers with a simple and compliant way to ask for reviews and seller feedback. However, for brands with high volumes of orders, the process of individually requesting reviews is not efficient. That's why myHorizons includes a functionality to help you fully automate the Amazon Request a Review feature. Just set your parameters once, and myHorizons will continuously submit requests to trigger the Request a Review system as your orders become eligible. So you never have to worry about manually following up with that Request a Review button again. Finally, we'll go to the Customer Insights tab to look at the Sales by Geography page. myHorizons features a lot of great data visualizations like this, and you can see here on the Sales by Geography page, you can quickly identify where most of your customers are located. And here, as with all our tools, you can toggle the date range, and this can be helpful. For example, if you run a promotion in Maryland in October, and then you want to be able to see if your sales increased for that area after the promotion. I'm going to conclude this demo back on our sales summary page. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, we only touched on a few of the tools myHorizons has to offer. Feel free to check out our blogs for explanations of other tools or schedule your own personal demo. If you go to envisionhorizons.com/myHorizons, you can start the sign-up process here, or you can request your demo here.